We are going to be scalping GBP USD today. So you can see right here, there's tons of liquidity above all of this. This is a retail trend line right now. There's going to be stop losses above all of this. And technically, there's going to be stop losses between 10 to 30 pips of this high. So this is where we're looking to scalp. This is not looking too bad, actually. So from about, say, maybe we can get a bit deeper into this, maybe. A 16 pip stop loss. Let's go for a 16 pip stop loss. Let's really go and jump in. We're going in. Let's go ahead and plug it in here too. In the markets right now, there we go. We just jumped in. This is probably the last trade of the day. They've got a little retail trend line here. That price keeps on bouncing off. So, you know, at every single touch, there's going to be people looking to sell. There's also break and retest action going on. As you guys can see, more break and retest action going on over here. Boom, boom, boom. So everyone's thinking that price is breaking to the downside. So I'm looking to take this to the upside. I'm looking to take it between 10 to 30 pips of this high. There's also another reason I'm looking to scalp GU into this level over here. Brand new week, price to be making low lows and lower highs. I'm anticipating price trading up into a premium price. It has done that. I want this area specifically. This is the imbalance I want to get traded into. So this is why I'm looking for price to trade up higher into this level right here. This is going to be my drawn price. Low lows and lower high action till it gets to this point where it dashes to the bottom side. NFP comes out, runs the low, and now we're shooting up to the upside. Once it gets to the imbalance, I am going to take off partials of 80%. Then I'm going to the rest right to see whether I can get a half fill and then potentially a full fill. I will have my stop loss and profit by then, so it should be good. Even if it turns back on me, your boy's not losing any P's. How I knew this was ready was because it traded above this high over here. When it did that, that meant that this was now an institutional candle to the downside. Now I'm going to see price run out all these highs. It should do it with some good speed, actually. So that's my institutional candle. Price has moved above, come back into it, mitigated these drawdown positions. Now we're pushing up higher. It could come into here one more time, mitigate again, and then go. This is why I'm not moving my stop loss now. You know, some people like to move their stop loss when price gets 10 pips in profit. This is 14 pips right now. So you know you're going to get people that move their stop loss now. They can potentially get taken out, but I'm not moving out anything. There's going to be money above every single one of these highs. From this low to that high, it's roughly about, what, 60 pips. That's a beautiful amount of pips. And what I've done, I've just put my stop loss in the safest place possible, which is beneath the down close candle. Now it's a waiting game. And guys, this is the importance of not moving your stop loss so quickly. We're so quick to move our stop loss sometimes because we don't want to lose money. We don't want to give anything back to the market so quick. But guys, we haven't even given the trade enough time to move off yet. Like I was saying, I didn't want to move my stop loss early, but there are people who do that. And when price went up into profit, so let's just see how much profit this went up into. This went about 26 or 27 pips into profit from here. Some people would have moved their stop loss into profit here, and as you guys can see, it would have come back down, taken you out, and then moved. And then you would have been left chasing the trade, trying to find another entry. Especially when price is just getting ready to be running out all kinds of liquidity. Don't be moving your stop loss too early. Don't give in to moving your stops early to protect your capital. It's not time yet. It's not ready yet. You know how much you're going to lose. Accept that and let the trade play out. All right, family, so there's been a change of plans. Your boy is busy right now. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to set a TP right at this level right here, right at the lowest point of the imbalance. And that's going to be the trade done. When you get busy, you have to readjust things. And so this is what we're doing right now. I set it right to the very lowest point of this imbalance now, and that's going to be the trade done. We are back. So now I'm going to take off this take profit because I'm going to now take partials when I get up here. Taking off that take profit. Now I'm going to be patiently waiting for price to get up into here. We're close to running TP. We're close to getting to our level. So the reason I had this alarm here was because I knew I was going to be busy later as well. We might as well just let the alarm go. And by the way, folks, I've gone in for a scalping opportunity on MT4 on my phone, literally from here right into this level. And we're going to be running out. This is going to be like a little small 1-2. This is going to be the final one. It's a really small move. So roughly about, let's just double check. It's roughly about a 1 to 3.5 hour trade. This would be a small little scalp to run it to the top side. And one other thing as well, they have created relative equal highs. You know who's getting active with those sells right now, trying to get in that last squeeze, that last double top squeeze before the trading week is done. So they're getting in that last squeeze. But I'm also getting in that last squeeze. I'm also getting in with that little small squeeze to run out their stop losses. So like I said, this is where I've entered on MT4 as well as a local 1-2 trade. They have created a relative equal highs. When they're seeing a double bottom rejection or some kind of engulfing candle to the downside, I'm seeing an opportunity to the upside. Family, everything's moving blessed. Just here in the next 7 minutes. That's all I want. I don't be trading for this long with the scalps. This scalp has taken quite some time. We entered in roughly about 4 o'clock and it's now pushing 6. This has turned into a very long scalp, but we should be running out this. We run out every single one of these highs. We have one more left And then this move here should be pretty swift. All right, family. So it looks like we're about to run out that money any moment now. Every single person who was getting in from this double top are probably shaking in their boots right now because their stop loss is going to get wiped out in a moment. We just survived the scalp over here. So that was blessed. Boom. G's running that money. Let's go. And I'm getting whooped in this game as well. I was playing a little game on my phone, getting whooped now. Just gonna just get out of this game real quick. We're about to close off these positions. Get ready to take partials here. So let's go partial close on this one. So that should be 80% close in a momento. This is the longest scalp, one of the longest scalps I've done this week or in the past 2 weeks. So yeah, let's get ready to close this off right now. Oh, there we go. Close, 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 partial close. Boom, right upon the imbalance. Cool, let's make sure everything's cool here as well. Let's close that one off. And boom, 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 boom. Oh man, I should have taken a screenshot. I just closed it off. It's all good. Partialing that. There we go. Boom. Cool. So I've just taken partials. Like I said, I'm not giving nothing back to the markets. It's Friday. I'm about to be gone. NFP is already done. It's madness today. I'm going to put my stop loss right beneath this low. I couldn't care less if it comes back to come and take your boy out. It doesn't matter to me. And I'm going to see if it gives me another low. I'm going to just literally trail it. Yes, it was the longest scalp, but we scalped it. We scalped it. Finally, so I've just moved my stop. We're literally a few pipettes away from this level over here. So that's basically 50% of the imbalance. So look at that 1 hour time frame. I've used the fib tool to mark up 50% of this imbalance over here. So this is where 50% is. So now when I get back to the 1 minute time frame, look, like I said, I'm not giving anything back to the markets. Literally Friday trading is done now. I'll move my stop loss all the way up to this level up here. You can see we've hit TP. Let's go. Boom and boom. There we go. I closed off the wrong thing. There we go. Full close. Okay, cool. We're done. So here are my executions. I entered here when price traded into this down close candle or institutional candle, and I took off 8% here and let the rest ride to this level.